Luke, where are we?
Ikea.
Huh?
Ikea.
Yeah, and what are you getting ready to do? Are you going
Jump
to...
on a bed.
You know, you're getting ready to test the bed to see if it is kid... Hold on.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. We're just testing to see if it's kid worthy. Okay. See if it's kid worthy. What do you think? Huh? Okay, what's she buying? It's...
Would you like to join me?
Hey, for a cup of tea. Tea, darling.
Pinkies up.
Pinkies up, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ooh, bedroom.
Let me hear your accent. Oh, God. Hey, don't get us kicked out of Ikea.
I'm not promising anything. Hang it above their bed.
Reese, are you keeping the bugs out of your...
Ow!
Oh!
Sophia!
She deserved
Yes.
that. How does it feel?
Good.
Oh. You want your bottle? Do you want your bottle, Luke? Did you wet your bed, honey?
That's reasonable.
Hold on. Did you wet your bed? Some things never change. Some things never change. Go! Go! Let's go. Elf. Go! Hurry! Go.
Look up. Look way up.
Look up.
These are friendly directional signs. They're here to help you find your way around IKEA.
Go!
Today. Thanks for shopping at IKEA and have a great day.
You're a bad elf. Come on. Where's your stuff? Let's go. Hold on, I want to look at the closet stuff.
What shoes would I like to wear?
Ooh, somebody
I would like to wear
fussed.
these. That was me.
God, Sophia! That is rancid. She fussed bad. It's, oh God, I'm gonna throw up.
Falling over.
Hey, look!